Thanks, mate.
Yeah.
Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Finn and I post content twice a week. In today's video, I'm honestly so excited for today's video. I've had this in my drawer for about 3 weeks now. I'm so excited to test these out. But let's not hold the suspense any longer, it's already in the title. So, in today's video, we're actually having a look at the DOCOLOR makeup brushes that are sold on Amazon. Now, these are incredibly cheap brushes, but they look insane. They look so cool. So I actually picked up the neon green ones. They are beautiful. They are so pretty, hand on heart. So let's get straight into the video. I've done a kind of video similar to this before. I tested the Subsky ones. I'll pop the link up here. But I so enjoyed doing that video. And I don't know what it was about that video, but I just really enjoyed it. I love doing it. So I cannot wait to get into this video and show you guys the new brushes. This is the box that they came in. They're from Amazon. They were about £16, which is really affordable. You get 15 brushes in here, and yeah, let's crack on. Let's open it up. These came so well packaged. So they come, obviously they're neon, they're so cool, they're neon green, but they come with the plastic handle protector and they come with these brush slots. So I'm going to keep these for when I'm cleaning my brushes because then it keeps the bristles in place, but £16 and they come packaged like that. These are so cool. I absolutely love these. How cool are they? They're so sick. On the back of this little thing, circle paper thing, it says Makeup Tools OEM Factory for Top Brands. So I'd love to know, because if you don't know, OEM is Original Equipment Manufacturer. So they're basically saying that top brands manufacture their brushes at the same factory. I would love to know what brands actually do. And I've already opened these all up, but I tell you, they feel such good quality. So the handles are made out of wood. This is actual metal. These are all synthetic bristles. It's all cruelty free and vegan. But they feel really good quality. Like, these are definitely, can't even explain it. They just feel really good quality brushes. So, what do we get? They are so soft. They're brilliant. And then on all of the handles we have the DOCOLOR logo, and then we have the numbers next to it, which actually is really good if you're like an actual beauty guru, because then you can just say, yep, and now I'm going to take brush number 4 and we're going to go in with a crease, or, you know, whatever. You can pretend you're a guru. Okay, so in this kit we get a powder brush, foundation brush, contour brush, blush brush. Brushes 5, 6, 7 and 8 are all different sized fluffy brushes for eyeshadow. Brushes 9, 10 and 11 are all different sized flat brushes. 14 is a pointed flat brush, more like a lip liner brush or a lipstick brush. 12 and 13 are just detailer brushes. Then lastly, brush number 15 is a eyebrow spoolie brush. Now I thought this was so similar to my Jeffree Star one, except my Jeffree Star one is a little bit like bent, angled. Yeah, angled. It's not bent, it's angled. But this is a really nice size. It's really similar to the Jeffree Star one, so I cannot wait to try this one out. So without further ado, let's crack on straight into the video. I'm just going to prime my face really quickly. Right, so for foundation we're going to be using the W7 Legend Long Lasting Foundation. This is what I normally use. And it's quite a nice consistency. So let's just shove that on with the foundation brush and we'll see what happens. I've never ever used a brush like this. This is such a thick brush, if that makes any sense. It's so dense and compact. So yeah, it's putting the product on absolutely fine, but I think I prefer a fluffier brush for my own foundation, to be honest. But then if you really like your dense brushes, then yeah, you're gonna love this. This is what I'm looking like. It's gone on As far as I can see, especially in the mirror, it's gone on really, really easily, really evenly, there we go. And yeah, that actually worked really, really well. It's going to take some getting used to, because I'm used to like a beauty blender and I'm used to brushes that aren't as like stipply, but for a stipply brush that is really, really good. So yeah, thanks mate. So now I'm going to take the brush number 1, which is the powder brush, and I'm going to go in with Banana Dreams and just set that really quickly. No, I really like that. That didn't look like it had picked up anything at all, but it actually has picked up loads, so I really like that. Feels so nice, and they're really nicely weighted. They don't feel like they're too heavy, and they also don't feel too light. Like, I like to have a good weight to my brush. Yeah, I really like that. That's my base at the moment, and I feel like it just looks quite natural, quite refreshing and natural. I don't feel like I'm too cakey. I hate contouring, but I'm going to try the contour brush anyway. So I'm just going to go in with some Sunkissed Hello Sunshine stuff. This is a very, very cool toned bronzer. I'm just going to do a tiny little bit of contour in my cheeks and maybe around, we'll see. Like, that picks up really, really well. It just picks it up. Does exactly what it should do. Sometimes on camera, contour looks really patchy. I'm not sure if it does right now, but on my camera that's not patchy at all, and I am crap at contouring, so the fact that that worked easily is amazing for me. I'm so happy with that. Like, let me know what you genuinely think of this, please. Like, just the contour, all of it, but like the contour side of it. Because I'm so bad at contour, and I actually feel like that looks quite nice, especially in the mirror. It feels like it looks really natural. So yeah, I'm so happy with that. That is a game changer. It's really soft, but it maintains its shape. Does that make any sense? So when you're putting it on, like, it's just perfect. I really, really like that one. I want to try an orange and blue look today. So let's see what sort of mess I come up with. It's normally gonna be a mess because half the time I don't know what I'm doing, so. Okay, now that's on, I'm gonna take the orange colour and just pop some of that in my crease. It picked up quite nicely, didn't it? Okay, no, these work. These work. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. Let's take another fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with the blue shade and just blend that out. I'm just going to blend that out a tiny bit into my brow bone. Oh wow, okay. I've messed that up. That took so much longer than what needed to take. My concealer exploded. I could not get the concealer on my eyelid without the brush going blue. And, oh, man. Okay, so now I've finally done that. I'm going to take a detailer brush. I'm going to be going under my eye with just a blue, maybe a little bit of orange, we'll see. I just like colour at the minute. Let's just shove everything on my, oh actually no. I'm going to go with that red colour that I used. Right, next up I'm going to be taking the eyebrow brush. I'm so excited to try this because I want to compare it to my Jeffree Star one. So I'm going to just be going in with my Superdrug Longwear Brow Cream and popping some of that all over my eyebrow to give the impression I actually own a pair. That feels extremely similar to my Jeffree Star one. So So far that's what we're looking like. A little bit crazy. I always look a bit mental without lipstick. The second you put lipstick on, it sort of collates the look. So that's what we're looking like. That's what we're looking like right now. I'm going to put some blush and some highlight on. Oh, actually, this doesn't come with a highlight brush. That's different. So we're going to have to make do and improvise. I'm taking the number 4 brush, which is specifically designed for blusher. Wow, okay. There's me thinking it hasn't picked up. I look like Rudolph. No thanks. Try and get rid of most of that. I'm just going to take the detailer brush. We're going to go in the inner corner. I love using detailer brushes for the inner corner because they normally get right in there. Right honeys, that is it for the brushes. The only ones I haven't yet used are the 3 flat ones, but I used all of the others. Let me just go put on some lipstick, some mascara, and I'll be right back for a final conclusion. There we go. Right Beauts, that's the final look for today's video. Like I said, we're not testing the makeup, we're not testing my skills, I was testing the brushes. Now I personally think, wow, these are worth £16 because they're only £16. However, that said, these are going to take some getting used to because they are, like, especially the foundation brush, is so stipply and like, that's really good build quality. It's so stipply that I'm going to have to practice with this one as opposed to like my other ones. I'm just like, go. But it's really nice. I like it. It's different. It makes my skin look even. Like, I really like that. In regards to like the powder brushes, the contour brush and the blush brush, yay, love them. They're really soft. They pick up the product perfectly. I have no complaints at all. Pick up, place, blending out, great. Onto the eyeshadow, the only brush that I was like, I cannot get used to this, was the, where's it gone? The pointed liner brush. Now, the reason I couldn't get used to this is because I used it as a, the blending ones were amazing. They picked up, put down, blended out. I'm really happy with that. Then, as we go on, like the detailer brushes, so I used 2 for my under eyes and my inner corners. Again, wow, works really well. I'm really impressed with this set, and not just like how they work. I love how they look. I love what they look like, so I'm so happy with this. I'm so happy with this. So, if you like the video, please don't forget to smash that like button. It helps me out so much, and I'm on my way to 650 subscribers, which I never thought would happen. But yay! So yeah, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. It means the world to me. I really hope you have a fantastic day, evening or weekend, wherever you are in the world, and I really hope that I get to see you guys again in the next one. Until then, love you, bye.